you get a peppermint tea also, that doesn't contain the actual tea. It is a peppermint tea, you can take it. Okay, peppermint also has a property where it is anti spasmodic in nature. Spasm which are generated inside your gut, those spasm will be calmed down, and you may not have the kind of ache you have generally because of the bloating and because of the indigestion, right? It's calm down the stomach. There is all these masala what we eat in the Indian cooking, they are all digestive. If you have indigestion, you can also add asafoetida, that is hing, and you can have the tea combination of all this tea as a tea and then take it, and it will have a beautiful digestive effect, right? If you want to eat where you have a indigestion and you have some kind of craving, and you are in the dilemma of whether I should eat or I should not eat, in that case what you do, you can eat jeera rice. But these jeera rice should not be from the restaurant. This jeera rice should be along with the curd in your home. When you prepare a jeera rice, ghee, but you can add a kind of half spoon of ghee in it, and you can add some small amount of asafoetida in it, and curd. But curd you should mix it with it afterwards, like after when it is cooled down. Why? Because curd has a lactobacillus delbrueckii bacteria, and these are the best bacteria which we should have in our gut. These bacteria, they kill the other toxin producing bacteria, and which generally develop in case of indigestion. So curd rice is one of the best when you don't have any kind of other thing to eat in indigestion, but at the same time indigestion immediate remedy. Apart from that, you should drink morning as well as night after your sunset, hot water. Even before your sleep you should drink some hot water, okay? And you can also have cumin seeds there, that is or ajwain seeds there. And it is said that in Ayurveda that you should drink sip water, but two times. For example, early in the morning, which is known as ushappan, at least you should drink 1 or kind of 2 liters of water early in the morning, maybe 4 to 5 glasses of water, depending on your weight or body volume also. Okay, a person with 5 feet should drink at least 2 or maximum 3 glasses of water. So depending on that volume also, you should drink water. Before sleeping also you should drink water, because your body should get hydrated, right? Your body should not get overhydrated, or uneven absorption of water should not be there, but at the same time your body should be hydrated. Your each cell require water. Your each cell require to maintain its osmotic pressure, which is caused by the cell organelles inside the cells, right? So that osmotic pressure is not maintained, then again indigestion will occur, right? So some people, you will find that they are very lazy early morning because of indigestion. They'll require some kind of habitual drinking of something to go to toilet or washroom. Some people, they will have just wake up, drink water, and they can go to toilet. So easy defecation process, right? So apart from that, one more habit which can give you irrespective of anything, it can give you best digestion, is 3 fruits a day. 3 fruits a day. Of course, there are lots of opinion that you should not eat fruit after your meal because it will mix with the meal and your digestion may not be proper. You should eat fruit before the meal, okay? But not to eat fruit is not the answer, is not better than to eat fruit after the meal. Whenever you feel that now I have a time, I should eat fruit, eat fruit, and believe me, it will actually enhance your digestion to a way that you may have to go to washroom or toilet in the evening itself, okay? Those people who goes to toilet for more than one time for a week, okay, sometimes 2 times or 3 times, right? Though medical science consider it as a perfectly normal, but Ayurveda consider it may not be normal. It is because your capacity of holding complete digested food in your body is not that. Your mucous membrane is shed off much more, and as a result of it, it builds the pressure inside the rectum and you have to go to toilet. So here you should have only that amount of mucous membrane that should come to the bolus, which actually requires to hold it in the rectum.